Hi guys, nice to meet you if I still haven't. My name's Christina. Today I will be doing the famous Kleenex holder hack. But I'm painting my white. I know, I'm so innovative, right? Wrong, I'm not, but I like the color white, so whatever. Okay, so I wanted a creamy white. I didn't want stark white, so I was trying to mix colors together. Didn't really go as I planned. I put in purple, blue, and a little bit of yellow because I wanted a neutral color. It didn't work out exactly how I wanted it to. So I ended up using a spray paint, which I will show you in just a second here. I just sprayed that all over and it just gave me a nice white. Next, I'll be showing the results. So this was just a nice and simple DIY. I hope this was to your liking and I hope you have the best day ever. Thank you for watching again. See you next time.